said something about the resources. Please say it again about the resources of the earth.
Yeah.
And the panicking of the world.
Yeah.
We talked about Greece, and we talked about the resources and the panicking in the politics, and you said it's all programmed.
Yeah. Well, there's two perspectives. The nation of this world, or the rulers of this world, they don't have additional wisdom to rule with. So it's the same thing. They always repeat one each other. The only wisdom which has more to offer is the wisdom which comes from above. But the wisdom of the world, they always repeat themselves. They always in circles. So you can always expect the same things. You cannot expect something more. It doesn't work like that. They don't have the creativity to create more. Now, with Greece and all this situation, it's like everything is circling around greed. That's the main thing. The greed and the power, and the greed to remain on power, and all these things. But the most important thing is that we have to understand that when it comes to the resources of this world, is that God created the world in His perfect will and His perfect judgment, so the world can produce food for no matter how many people there are. If there is like a 10 billion or 50 billion, God have made the earth to sustain and to serve the inhabitants of the earth. So it doesn't matter what people say, that there is not enough water, there is not enough food. There will always be enough food, because God is a God of order, and He knows exactly what He is doing. And that's why once we break the order of our thinking about God, the peace is gone, because the Bible says God is God of order and peace. Once you break the order, that God is God of order, the understanding of peace will depart from you, and you will then panic, and you will say there will be no food, there will be no water. But the actual reality is God will always supply, because He is good. And the Bible says that the rain comes on the just and the unjust, and the sun comes up for the faithful and for the unfaithful. So God will always be good and kind towards every person on this world, on this earth. So there will always be food. There will always be place.